11 passive income ideas to increase your cash flow. This video is gonna be probably the longest video yet on my channel, but it is valuable. It will help you make money. I guarantee that to you. First, before we go to the 11 passive income ideas, we need to define what is passive income. Passive income is the opposite of active income. With active income, you are paid for the work that you do. Most careers or side hustles qualified as active income. With passive income, you can do the work first, that you can do the work and then collect the payment over time. Passive income can seem like an easy idea, but it's important to note that it can take some time to grow your investments. If you are looking for a quick cash, you might want to consider starting a side hustle or working on a high-paying career path. However, if you have time to watch your investment grow, and especially if you are willing to put a little bit of sustained effort into it, building a passive income stream can be a great idea to do. Now I need to go to how to make passive income. When people talk about earning money in your sleep, they are referring to passive income. Traditionally, you would do this through financial investments. Nowadays, money creatives start a passive income stream by creating a digital product that you can sell repeatedly. And there are some things you can consider if you want to start earning passive income, like what kind of investment can I make? Do I have any skills or knowledge that people might find helpful? Or how can I automate the process of sharing my skills or knowledge that I got? See, these are some type of questions that you should ask yourself if you want to start earning passive income. And depending on the passive income stream that you choose, there might be things you can do to increase your short-term earnings. For example, some people who sell digital products will use some viral marketing strategies to enable more people to discover their products, which leads to more sales in shorter periods. So without anything further to say, I'm just gonna jump ahead and tell y'all the 11 passive income ideas that I personally think are great. And the number one passive income idea is financial investments. Financial investment include a range of options such investing in the stock market, in the crypto, in the peer lending, in the mutual funds, and a lot more of type of investments. But you have to work with a financial advisor to figure out the best investment options for you, because you are new to this. If you got a previous knowledge about the stock market or any type of investment that I mentioned, you can start yourself. You don't need a financial advisor at that point. Now, this financial investment got pros and cons. The pros for this one is high growth potential over time and minimal maintenance. These are the pros, and the cons are may have limited access to fund in the short term, and the tax requirements is the second con. Second, own a rental property. Now, rental income can be steady way to earn extra money. By the way, owning a rental property is a type of investing, a financial investing. Investing in the real estate is an investing, but it's different than investing in the stock market or crypto or whatever. It's a lot different. This passive income source comes with all the required maintenance of regular home ownership. Now, the pros to this one is it can be a long-term investment, and you can start earning money as soon as your first renters move in. And the cons, because you have a lot of responsibilities for your property to keep it up. You have to clean it, you have to take care of it. And the other con is only earn when you have renters. You cannot earn nothing if your property is empty. And the third passive income idea is start a print on demand shop. You can sell your original designs on t-shirts, hats, mugs, posters, and other products without dealing with inventory by opening a print on demand shop. All you need to do is select your provider like Printful or Printify. These are some companies that ship in the pack and ship and stuff for print on demand workers. Now upload your file, choose the product you want to sell, and advertise them on your online store. Now the pros to this one are no inventory needed, and the second pro is create original products. Now it got a lot of cons, like my need to engage in self-promotion and marketing, and you might need to handle customer service issues. And then number 4 passive income idea is self-publishing. If you have a wealth of knowledge or an idea for a story, you can write a book and sell it online. Many people choose to use service like Kindle Direct Publishing, which enable you to transfer your words into an ebook or print edition and sell it on Amazon Books or Amazon KDP, I think, or Books by Amazon. Now the pros to this one are is that it's all about emotion. The first pro is write something that you feel proud to share and you are confident about and you want to actually share. And the second pro is retain complete control of your creative process. Now the cons are a little bit, people might hate it a little bit. The cons are can take a lot of time to prepare a book for publication, a lot of time, and you might need to engage in self-promotion and marketing. A lot of people hate that because you will have to pay lots or have an audience or a traffic. You have to get a traffic, they call it traffic. And because I don't have time right now, I just only did half, less than half. I have 7 more to go, to 7 more passive income ideas to share with y'all. I just gave y'all 4. Maybe the 7 more I'll give them in next video. So that was this is the end of the video. Take care, leave a sub for me, leave a like if you want, and thank you for watching.